Present continuous tense with Veni Ian, my English teacher. Hello friends, how are you today? When do we use the present continuous tense? We use present continuous to talk about actions happening now, things that are going on. Form I, you, he, she plus am, are, is plus verb ing. She is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. I am teaching English. I'm teaching English. They are dancing. They're dancing. We are singing a song. We are singing a song. Let's practice. What is he doing? What is she doing? He is reading. She is dancing. Let's practice. What are they doing? They are playing. They're playing. Mini quiz. I am running. She eating. They jumping. And the answers. I'm running. She is eating. They are jumping. Well done. Good job. Remember, am is are plus verb ing equals present continuous. Talk about what is happening right now. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and having fun with me, Veni Ian. Goodbye, friends.